Hey everybody, here we go. Another week of school. Can you guys believe it's already going to be almost the middle of May this week? I can't believe how fast time is going. So our story that I'm going to read to you today is called The Butterfly Life Cycle. Okay. Um, think about what you think a life cycle is. If we were at school, I would have some friends share their ideas. So think about that for a second. All right, so a life cycle is the process or the order in which things or animals, bugs, people um, are born, the life they live, and then they die, and then it's repeated. It kind of goes in a circle, okay? So our story is going to be about the monarch butterfly's life cycle, all right? And here's some important words that you are going to see in our story. Okay, they are butterfly, caterpillar, life cycle, mate, pupa, stages. All right, so this is a table of contents. A lot of the times when you're having a nonfiction story like ours this week that teaches true information, there's a table of contents and it tells you what page you can find information about each topic. So the life cycle is page 4. The word egg, they're going to teach us what that means on page 5. Pupa, page 9. Adult butterfly, page 11, and the glossary, which is at the end of the story and tells you what important words mean, is on page 16. So this is a table of contents, and it's just a tool. You'll use it more in second, third, and older grades, how to find information quicker in the story that you're reading. All right, so here we go. The life cycle of a butterfly. The life cycle. A monarch butterfly has 4 stages in the life cycle, okay? So here we have the egg. Starts as an egg. The egg, see the arrow, means it turns into the caterpillar. Okay. After it's a caterpillar for a couple weeks, it goes into the pupa. Another word for pupa is chrysalis. So it forms a shell around its body, the caterpillar. It spins and works really hard and it starts to get all wrapped up really tight. And then that pupa or chrysalis will hang just like, see this little piece up here? It's going to hang from that, from the underneath part of a leaf or a tree, something outside, okay? And you can actually see, if you look really close, you can see a butterfly wing forming in there. That pupa or that chrysalis is protecting the caterpillar, and the change is happening. The metamorphosis is changing inside of the pupa. And after the work is done and it's worked really hard, this chrysalis will start shaking back and forth. Okay, it's really cool to see. And then before you know it, it will burst out of the shell and out comes an adult, beautiful butterfly. Okay, so then the butterfly is going to lay an egg. The egg will turn into a caterpillar. The caterpillar will go into the pupa. It will work really hard changing and it will come out as a butterfly. So that's the cycle. It keeps happening over and over again. It's pretty fascinating, guys. Okay, so the egg. A female, which is a girl, monarch butterfly, lays an egg on a leaf. A caterpillar grows inside the tiny egg. The egg hatches in 3 to 12 days. So they kind of zoomed in on the egg right here. And you can see the caterpillar here laying her egg. And it says underneath the caption, which are the words to describe the picture, a young caterpillar hatches from its egg. A female monarch butterfly usually only lays one egg on a leaf. Okay, it's usually just one at a time. The hungry caterpillar eats all the time. First, the caterpillar eats its own eggshell. Then the caterpillar eats the leaf it is on. And if you're ever outside, guys, look on trees. If you see leaves that have little holes in them, guess what was there? Yep, a caterpillar, okay? They really like to eat painted lady butterflies. They like to eat milkweed leaves from a milkweed plant, okay? But anyway, they like to eat leaves. The caterpillar grows quickly. Its skin does not grow. The caterpillar's skin splits and it peels away, okay? You see that? And the caption says, the caterpillar puts down sticky silk. The silk keeps the old skin in place when the caterpillar wiggles out. Kind of like a snake, like snakes get new skin. New skin is under the old skin. The caterpillar sheds its skin 4 to 6 times. The caterpillar grows for 2 to 4 weeks. Okay? It says, do you know that monarch caterpillars only eat the leaves of the milkweed plant? I just told you that, okay? So they like milkweed plants also, just like the painted ladies, okay? So this says the caterpillar's black and yellow colors warn animals that they will get sick if they eat it. How about that? So these colors warn animals, don't eat me, it will make you sick. Pupa, when the caterpillar is grown, it hangs from a branch. It sheds its skin one last time. The new skin is bright green. Wow, look at that. So then the caption says the caterpillar's skin splits down its back like a zipper. Okay, it's forming this J shape. When you see a caterpillar start to hang upside down from a leaf, see the leaf? And it forms this J, that's the first step that it's going to soon be in its pupa or chrysalis, okay? And you can see it's slowly getting covered, okay? The shell is getting wrapped all around it. All right, let's see what happens next. The green skin becomes hard. The caterpillar is now a pupa. It will stay inside its shell for 1 to 2 weeks, so 7 to 14 days. It's going to hang like this, okay? The green pupa looks like a leaf. The color helps it to hide from other animals. Okay, so it's kind of disguised so that nothing else will bother it, try to eat it. Adult butterfly. The pupa comes out of its shell. It is now a butterfly. Its wings are wet. So when the butterfly first comes out, it can't fly immediately, okay? Because it just came out of the pupa. Its wings are wet, so they have to let it dry for a little bit before they're able to move. They have to get stronger, dry. The butterfly breathes in air to make its body bigger. Then the shell splits so the butterfly can climb out. And here it is. Here's the process of it coming out of the pupa. It's pretty cool, guys. The new butterfly rests. The butterfly must hang upside down or it will not be able to fly. While the butterfly hangs, it pushes liquid into its wings to make them unfold. See how it kind of looks like shriveled up? It works to make its wings open up more. The butterfly hangs for 3 to 4 hours. The sun and air dry its wings. Most monarch butterfly wings are about 4 inches from tip to tip. Okay, so it's probably about, where are my hands at? This big. Then the butterfly is able to fly. It flies off to eat. It also searches for a mate, so a partner. Monarch butterflies drink nectar, a sweet liquid made by plants. They sip nectar with a long tongue shaped like a tube. Okay, it's called a proboscis. Can you guys say proboscis? Okay, it's kind of like a straw that comes out, and that's how they sip the nectar. A monarch butterfly may only live for 2 to 6 weeks. The female, so that's the girl, monarch lays her eggs. The butterfly life cycle starts again. Okay, and it says that the female monarch may lay 400 to 500 eggs in her lifetime. That's a lot. Okay, and then here's our glossary. I told you guys at the end of this story is a glossary, and it tells you the definition or the meanings of each word, okay? So we have butterfly, caterpillar, life cycle, mate, pupa, and stages. And then it explains after each word what they mean. And this letter N in parentheses means it's a noun. So it names a person, a place, or a thing. So it looks like all the words in our glossary are nouns. Okay. So this is something if you want to do at home. It says draw a diagram of the butterfly life cycle. Write about each stage and what happens in between the stages. Pick 2 stages of the life cycle and compare and contrast them with a partner. So these are things, if you choose to do them at home, you can. You could also go on YouTube and find short videos about the life cycle if you want. It's fun to draw it. If you want to use like watercolor paints or crayons just for the fun of it, you can. But the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to do some words that have long vowel sounds and silent E on the end because we haven't been together for a while to practice doing this, okay? So these are some words that need help because you could see they're missing some letters, right? So bear with me as I try to type missing letters. And before I put them in, I hope that you will be listening closely and that you will try your hardest to shout the answers to me because I think I'll be able to hear you if you're loud enough. Not too loud, so I don't want your parents to get upset. All right, so we're looking at this first picture, right, guys? I see a picture of a tire, right? Tire. Oh, let me move our box. There it is. Okay. So I see T and I see R. What is that long vowel sound you hear in tire? Is it A, E, I, O, or U? Tire. Yes, it's I. Okay. So what do we need to put at the end so that it makes the long I sound? Because right now it says tur. And it's not a tur, right? Tire. What do we need at the end, everybody? E. Nice job. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right. Here we have a hose, right? Hose. Okay, I want everyone to tell me the missing vowel sound in hose. Look at my mouth. Hose. Good. Oh, you got it. And then what are we missing on the end? H-O-S. Yep. E. Hose. Nice job, guys. All right, let's move next door. We see a blend. I see sn. Then I'm missing something and I see K. It's a snake. Oh boy. I'm taking my O and my E. Hold on. Okay. Moving along. What are we missing in snake? What vowel, everybody? Yep. A. S-N-A-K. And what comes at the end? E. Awesome job. All right, let's work our way down. Here we go. Here we have, looks like a box, but it's not. Okay, it's a cube. Cube. Okay, what is our missing vowel sound in cube? U. Awesome. Okay, and what has to come on the end, everybody? E. All right, you're rocking it. Oh, we're taking our letters again. Stay there, guys. All right, here we go. New box, new letters. All right, we have a kite. Kite. What vowel sound do we have there, guys? I. Nice. Okay. And then what do we need to have at the end so that the I can say its name? Because right now it says kit, and that is not a kit, right? No. Okay, we need a E. You got it. Good job. You left. Oh, we're taking our letters again. Come on. All right. Stay there, guys. All right. I'll get it eventually, okay? Here we go. Our next one, we had one of these in our classroom. It's a picture of a globe. Okay. What is our letter missing, our vowel for globe? You got it. It's an O. And then what do we need on the end? Because right now it says glob. We need it to say O. And to say its name, you always need to have your, yep, silent E. You got it. We have 3 left. Okay. This is a clock and it's telling us the time. Time. Okay, what letter is missing for time? Nice, I. And right now it says Tim. So what do we need to add? E. You got it. All right, next one. I see the number 5. 5. What do we need, everybody? Yep, I. And our vowel sound missing on the end is a E. Because otherwise it would say fiv. We need that E so it says its name. Okay, last one. Okay, we're missing a sound at the beginning and the end, okay? This is an ape. Ape. Okay? What vowel sound do we need at the beginning, everybody? A. This is app. So what do we need to put in the end? E. Awesome job. All right, everyone kiss your brain.